In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name slides in Google Slides. If you've ever found yourself getting lost among numerous slides during a presentation or simply want a more organized way to navigate through your Google Slides document, naming your slides can be a game changer. This process not only helps in keeping your presentation tidy, but also makes it easier to jump to specific content when needed. So let's dive right in and streamline your slide management. First up, you need to head over to Google Drive. It's where all your Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides live. Once there, you'll have to log in, enter your email and password, then click Next. This is your gateway to all your stored and shared documents, so make sure you're entering the correct credentials to access your slides. After you've successfully signed in, navigate through your saved files or recently opened documents to find the Google Slides presentation you want to work on. It might seem straightforward, but remember, staying organized from the get-go is key to a streamlined process. Click on the desired slide within your presentation to select it. This action signifies that you're ready to start naming. Now it's time to head to the Layout section. This might seem a bit odd at first. After all, we're talking about naming slides, not changing their designs, right? But bear with me. Upon clicking Layout, you'll see various options for structuring your slide, but for our purpose, you'll want to select Title Only. This provides a clean slate for naming while avoiding clutter or unnecessary elements on your slide. With the title only layout selected, your next step involves adding text. But here's a little trick. Instead of placing your text directly on the slide where it might distract or interfere with your content, you're going to drag it outside the visible slide area. This action effectively hides the text from viewers during the presentation, yet it allows you to use this text as a form of hidden labeling or naming for your own reference. Once you've added and positioned your text, go ahead and click on Slideshow to present. This might feel like jumping ahead, but presenting your slides is a great way to test how your naming strategy plays out in a real scenario. Plus, it's always a good idea to preview your work. Finally, to actually see the names of your slides in action, click on the pages below during your slideshow presentation. This step is where the magic of naming slides truly comes to life, offering you a simplified and organized way to navigate through your presentation seamlessly. And there you have it, a straightforward yet incredibly useful guide on how to name slides in Google Slides. Remember, the key to a successful presentation lies not just in the content, but also in how easily you can access and navigate through that content. Naming your slides is just one of the many tools Google Slides offers to make your presentation as efficient and effective as possible. Happy presenting,